Hey guys, it's Ben again, and today we're back at Nippon Nostalgic headquarters, trying to fix my manifold gasket. It's leaking like a bitch, and it pops, and it's fucking horrible to drive with. You can't give it nothing without like sounding like your engine's gonna explode. Um, so we're gonna pull the manifolds off. Since we changed the Dizzy yesterday, she's 100 times better. It's driving really smooth. It's going smoother through the revs, smoother down low, starting easier. The whole lot. It's good. Fix this exhaust manifold, and it'll make a big difference. Other than that, the diff still squeals like a bitch, and the front suspension is fucking horrible. So they will be the next things on the list. So I'll give you a look around in the engine bay and show you what I'm doing. And so here's the gasket I was going to try and salvage, but I think it's a bit fucked, so we're probably not going to use it. We're probably going to try and use the one that's still on I'm still waiting for everything to cool down a little bit. It's all a little bit warm at the moment, so we'll get this off. I'm waiting for the missus to come, do a run to Super Cheap, get some supplies, come back, goo it up, bolt it all back together, hope for the best. Probably won't be able to run it today, let the shit dry like they want, and then I can only blame myself if something went wrong. So, alright, I'll talk to you when we get this off, I guess. Okay, so I haven't got very far since the last little clip, but I've just realised that this head's all connected. Well, there's at least holes that touch the face through the head out of the water galleries. So I've begun to drip some water, and I don't really have a water tub anywhere. So I'm gonna have to wait a little bit to dump all my coolant that I just spent $50 on. So at the moment we're waiting to go get a tub, maybe, unless I can invent something. I'll see how we go. It's not too big a problem. It's just gonna slow me down a little bit. Right, well I found some bottles, so now I gotta wait for the radiator to cool right down, cause like it's still warm, and like, yeah, I've opened it when it was cold to the touch and it still went so yeah, I'm not sure how long this is gonna take, but then I've got to work out how I'm gonna get it in the bottles instead of just spilling it all down on the drip tray. I'll work it out. I only need to drop so much, because once I get past about there, the water level won't matter, because it's only going to come out up here. What a cunt. Alright, see how we go. Try again. Okay, so here's the plan. We're gonna get that bottle. We're gonna undo the hose up here. I already done the clamp. Because then we got the heater tap there. You can see it moving up the top there. So I can close the heater tap. Water can't get past here to leak out everywhere. When I pull that off, it's only gonna come out that black hose, hopefully. Then I've got a little bit of slack. I can pull that through and hopefully fill these bottles up in here until the water level's down enough. Once it's down so the heater is drained, that should be enough that the manifold won't leak when I take it off. I still got no idea if it's cooled down enough that there's going to be no pressure in there or what. I know I've already lost a little bit of pressure because it's leaking at the manifold, but other than that, no idea. That pipe feels cool to the touch, so we will see how we go. Wish me luck. If I can film the next bit I will, but I'm by myself, so I don't know. Right, so we're gonna start, we'll pull that out. That's just the mist vent tube. Then we got to get this hose off of here. Oh, I can already see the greenness of it all. Without breaking the heater core or tap or anything, hopefully. And we're out, but there's not as much fluid coming out as I'd hoped there would. And then we can pull this through here a bit. Right, go get some more bottles. Right, so I just opened the radiator and now we're getting some fill. Alright, and we are just about done. Well, pulling them apart anyway. You can see I've got my crossflow top mount carbies now. All I gotta do is like lift the extractors off. I got a feeling half my problem is that the extractors hit the block down there before they seal up tight at the top. Didn't you see that? Yeah. So that could be a lot of the problem. Let's It's been leaking down there. That looks average. And leaking down there too at the front. Maybe. Alright, we'll pull it off, clean it up, see what it looks like. Well, there is your problem. Whoa, focus is the problem. Bitch. Alright, so we're back at home now. I decided to wait until these new gaskets come. I was gonna try and just dodgy that gasket up, but it's fucked. And the other gasket I had, it's fucked as well. So we're back to waiting for parts that I couldn't find locally yesterday. If you haven't seen that video, it shouldn't be too hard to find from here. So yeah, we're gonna have to leave it at that. I'll get back to work tomorrow night, so not much will be done now until Wednesday or Thursday next week, and hopefully I'll have some more videos up then, and hopefully have my car running, driving properly, and ready to get the Webbers going. So yeah, I hope everyone's been enjoying it. Please like and subscribe. I don't put much effort into these videos, but it's nice just to know it's not a complete waste of time. So yeah, take it easy fellas, catch us around.